We used to log into so many websites and apps. When we are logging to websites and apps, we used to give some permissions, but after sometimes we will forget about that. Sometimes some apps or websites will be using for 1 or 2 times. After that, we will not be using that app or website. And when we were using, we may have given some permissions. In this video, we will be telling about how to find permissions given to websites or apps and how to remove given permissions if you don't want to give permission. For that, first what we need to do is open your phone settings. After opening phone settings, scroll down. When you are scrolling down, you can see one option Google. Click on Google. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see your email address. If you want to change, you can change your email address. Just click on this and every Gmail ID in this phone will appear here. You can select whichever Gmail you want. After that, scroll down. When you are scrolling down, you can see one option settings for Google Apps. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, you can see connected apps option. Click on connected apps. When you are clicking on that, you can see every apps which you have given permission. I have given permission to WhatsApp Messenger, that is needed, and I have given permission to CRUD, that is also needed. Here some apps are there which are not important. Here you can see Bridgerize. If you can see any apps or websites like that, just click on that. Actually now I am not using this app, so I want to delete every permissions given. To delete every permissions, what you can do is, here you can see delete all connections that you have with Bridgerize. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, here you can see one option confirm. Click on confirm. When you are clicking on that, every permissions that you have given will be removed. Likewise, you can remove any apps or websites from here if you are not using that app or website, or if you don't want to give your permission. Important thing is that don't remove everything. Some apps or websites permission will be needed. For example, WhatsApp Messenger permission is needed in my case. Likewise, CRUD permission is also needed. Other permissions are not important for me. Like that, in your case, some permissions will be needed and some permissions will not be that necessary. If you want, you can remove that permissions. So like this, you can find to which websites or apps you have given your permissions. And like this, if you want, you can remove that permissions also. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.